So just a short video showing you the autofocus speed and sound of the Sigma 105mm macro lens. So it's not the quietest in autofocusing or the quickest, but for me I normally use manual anyway. But if you are someone who uses autofocus, then it's just a short video to show you. You see that it's not very quick or very quiet. So it won't be very good for nature photography if you were trying to capture insects or animals or anything. Like I say, it's not very quiet. But to me, I'd suggest using manual focus anyway, because when you're manual focusing, you can do it as quick or as quiet as you want it. So when you're manual focusing, you can hardly hear anything. So for me, that'd be the best way to do it. But yeah. That's just a video showing the speed and sound of the autofocus for the Sigma 105mm macro lens.